Hey guys, at BV Matson here. Little different video today. Pretty excited. I found something on the Facebook Marketplace last night while I was just casually browsing, and I'm pretty excited about it. Should be in my hands here shortly. Here it is, guys. Got myself a Honda motorcycle shop manual, original. Look at this. Look at this. Doesn't matter what CB I'm working on, I've got it covered. Pretty much goes up through the early 70s, but this is an official shop manual with freaking all the details. Wiring diagrams, step-by-step guides. I mean, I don't think that you can find a resource much better than this. Saw this on the Facebook Marketplace and I was just like, oh, I'm in. Pages are like a laminate, or they're a gloss. Really awesome, high quality, but you can see it goes through everything. Oh man, this is really cool. I love finding stuff like this. Man, look at these diagrams. This is a beautiful book. Beautiful book. Honda Motorcycle Shop Manual. Add that to the collection, and I'm pretty sure this thing is going to be extremely useful. So, just wanted to share a little victory. It's pretty damn cool. If you guys enjoy the videos, please subscribe. Also, thumbs up the videos that you enjoy. Follow along Instagram and Twitter at BV Matson. Not sure what I'm going to work on today, but we're going to make some videos for sure. See you later.